Hi all, see this, in this particular problem we are given to that what is A cross B cross C. So it's actually a triple product. No, those triple product, we know the box product and all that, right? It's not that, but we cannot use that formula and all that, but we can use the properties of that. Okay, so that's it. So here we are go ahead and use the properties of the triple product of a vector, and then we have to solve this problem. Okay, now what is given here? It is given here that A cross B cross C is equal to root 3 by 2 and all that stuff. But before going ahead that, let us recall one formula of the triple product. Let's go ahead. So here we'll recall that formula as what is A cross B cross C. Okay, let's write down that. So here I write A cross B cross C. Now here I just put in arrow mark, not that caps, but as obvious that as it is a unit vector, right? It is generally we should use this cap sign, obviously, but that's okay, right? We can use as a vector sign also, but some sign need to be presented always if I trying to represent it in a paper. Okay, so let's go ahead. So therefore, its property says that it's actually A dot C multiplied by vector B minus, okay, we'll have that it's A dot B multiplied by C. Okay, that's it. So that's actually the property. Now if I apply this property, right, now what is given? It's given that this A cross B cross C is equal to, okay, root 3 by 2 and all that stuff. So that's why for this particular problem we can easily say that now A dot C and the B vector minus A dot B and C vector is actually root 3 by 2 B vector plus root 3 by 2 C vector. So if I consider that B and C, because B and C are given as a unit vector, so therefore we can say that as these two vectors are equal, so these are the components, and already we know that dot product is a scalar one, right? So therefore it's imply that A dot C it's equal to root 3 by 2 and A dot B it's also equal to root 3 by 2 but with a minus sign. That's it. Okay. Now see that what we are asking for, we are asked to find out the angle between A and B. So let us consider that let theta be the angle between A and B. So therefore we will imply that the A dot B, the dot product, must be equal to mod of A plus into mod of B cos theta. Now in this particular problem, this says A and B are unit vector. So therefore mod of A is definitely equal to mod of B, and that's definitely equal to 1. So therefore using this property and the relation whatever we calculated here, cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Now that gives it's minus cos pi by 6. Okay. Now obviously we cannot equate them, okay? So how we can equate them, right? Obviously that cos value is negative. Cos value negative means this definitely lies on the second quadrant, okay? Now in the second quadrant, so therefore we can write it as cos pi minus pi by 6. And that's why we'll say that it's implied that theta is equal to 5 pi divided by 6. And that's the angle between A and B. And that's why obviously option D is the correct answer. And that's it. Okay. Hope you understood the steps. Okay. Only the problem is that here, the crucial that here, we have to remember that formula itself. And that's it. That's the very easy problem. So obviously you can go ahead and understood it. Thank you.